Alright, ride day video number 3. If you didn't see the first 2, go back on the channel and check them out. We got 2 out already. This is the 3rd. I actually have enough vertical content that we can throw together a long format horizontal video. So I might do that too. Some special clips from the freestyle ramp and the track around. And I've also got a ride around a couple of days afterwards on the Big Red, showing you guys what the track looks like after 4 quads have been beating on it for a day. So look forward to that. Throw a comment down in there. Let me know what you think of these ride days. Would you be out here riding with us? Did you miss the announcement? Did you even know there was such a thing going on? I'm going to jump off here. We got another survey going on, a poll. You guys want me talking through these with some kind of story, or you want me to get to the point, introduce it, get some points in, and shut up and get off of here so you can listen to the motors rip? Let me know down in the comments below. Comments are welcome, comments are required, comments are needed for the videos to go places. Also, watch time. If you watch these videos, the longer you watch them, the better off the video does. Videos aren't going very far. We got people wondering why they're not going very far. Well, if nobody's clicking on them because the thumbnails aren't grabby, then that's my fault. If you guys aren't watching them all the way through, that's my fault too, because I didn't keep you interested. Either that or the wrong people are just getting shown the videos. Not sure? Let me know. I'll see you guys in the next one. We still got bunches of minutes for you guys to watch ripping around. Enjoy.
Also, you can like read the ground too.